Hello students, now here is a question. Subtract the sum of minus 6p plus 19, minus 8q and minus 23 plus 13p plus 12q from 7p minus 9q minus 18. So you have to find the sum of two terms. This is the first term and this is the second term. You have to find the sum of these two terms and you have to subtract the sum from the third term. Means overall your equation becomes the third term minus the sum of 1 and 2. Clear? So first step will be finding the sum of 1 and 2. For that, just write the terms. The first term is minus 6p plus 19 minus 8q. Just you will write the similar terms one below the other. This is 13p, so plus 13p, then minus 23, then plus 12q. Now you are finding the sum, means this is addition. When you are doing addition, you will not change the sign. The signs will remain the same. So minus and plus will be minus. Minus 6p plus 13. What will be the answer? It will be plus 7p. Plus minus is minus, but the sign will be of the term which has higher numerical value. 13 is greater than 6. So here the sign will be plus sign. Then plus 19 minus 23. Plus minus means minus. You will have to subtract 19 from 23. So this becomes 4. This is 4 and the sign in front of 4 will be minus sign because the numerical value 23 is greater than 19 and in front of 23 you have negative sign. So the answer will have negative sign. So plus 19 minus 23 will be minus 4. Similarly, minus 8q plus 12q. Again, plus and minus will be minus. Subtract 8 from 12 and since the higher numerical value, that is 12, has positive sign in front of it, answer will be plus 4q. So this is the answer for the sum of the terms 1 and 2. Now the third term, 7p is outside the bracket, but 9q and minus 18 are inside the bracket and minus sign is there outside the bracket. So first of all, you open the bracket. So this becomes 7p. Nothing is written in front of 9q means this is plus. Minus into plus is minus. So minus into plus is minus. So 7p minus 9q. Again, in front of 18 there is negative sign. Minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. So 7p minus 9q plus 18. When you open the bracket of the third term, it becomes 7p minus 9q plus 18. This is the third term. Now from the third term, you have to subtract the sum of 1 and 2. This is the sum of 1 and 2. 1 plus 2. This is the answer. Now the subtraction. Final step of the question. 7p minus 9q plus 18 minus in brackets. What is the sum of 1 and 2? 7p minus 4 plus 4q. When you open the bracket, nothing is written in front of 7p, it is plus. So minus into plus is minus. Minus into minus will be plus. Again minus into plus will be minus. So just opening the bracket, it becomes this can be written one below the other. It can be written minus, in brackets you have 7p plus 4q minus 4. This is in brackets. Now when you open the bracket, sign will change. So this becomes 7p minus 9q plus 18. Change the sign. Here it is plus. So when you open the bracket, it becomes minus 7p. Then minus into plus is minus. So minus 4q. Then minus into minus is plus. So plus 4. Solve this. Plus 7p and minus 7p. Plus minus is minus. So plus 7p minus 7p, this becomes 0. This cancels out. Minus 9q minus 4q. Minus minus is plus. So add the term 9 and 4. Add the numbers 9 and 4. It will become 13q. But minus and minus is plus, but the sign will be of minus. The sign in front of 13q will be negative sign. Similarly, plus plus is plus. 18 plus 4 is 22. And since both the signs are plus, here it will be plus 18 plus 4, it will be 22. So plus 22. Both the signs are plus, so it is plus 22. So this is the final answer. So I hope students you understood the question. Just few points to remember. When you are adding two negative numbers like minus 1, minus 2, when you are having two negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, when both the signs are minus, then minus and minus will be plus. You will have to add the numbers. So 1 plus 2 is 3. You will add the numbers, but the sign in front of the number will be minus. Similarly, when you have plus 1 plus 2, you will add the numbers. Answer will be 3, but the sign in front of the number will be plus 3. But when you have two different signs like minus 1 plus 2, in that case you will subtract the numbers and you will subtract the smaller number from the greater one, like it is 2 is greater than 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1, and you will put the sign of the number which is greater in value. Which one is greater in value here? 2. So 2 is greater than 1, and what is the sign in front of 2? Plus. So the answer will be plus 1. But if you have a number like plus 1 minus 2, again you will subtract the smaller number from the bigger one, like 2 minus 1. Answer will be 1. But the sign you will put in front of the answer will be of the number which is higher in value. 2 is greater than 1. And what sign you have in front of 2? Minus. So it will be minus 1. This trick you have to remember.